Why does the author praise Luthans' research? Where do we have this reference? This reference is there in the third paragraph where the passage calls Luthans' research a breakthrough. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, it accurately articulated the importance of managerial actions. In the context of Luthans' research mentioned here, the passage makes no suggestion regarding the accuracy of the research. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, it was the first to offer statistical credibility to the link between management style and employee attitude. Yes, we have a reference here because the passage mentions that it was the first data-backed evidence to show that employees behaved in a certain way when their managers behaved in a certain way. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, it enabled Pathak's study to affirm a certain correlation. Now the passage mentions a study by Pathak and it talks that it established a certain correlation, but the passage doesn't suggest that Pathak worked on the basis of the study done by Luthans. So there is no such direct reference. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, it proved that employees can develop a positive attitude towards their organizations. Now the passage makes a reference to this. It says that in the research, it was shown that employees developed a positive attitude towards their organizations if their managers emphasized that the employees were part of the team. However, although there is a reference to employees developing positive attitude, it cannot be said that the study proves that employees can develop a positive attitude. So this is too strong an answer choice. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, it emphasized the importance of supervisory style communication patterns and paternalistic orientation. The passage makes no such reference in the context of Luthans' research. In fact, these three particular management styles are related to the research in the earlier paragraph. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.